Good morning, students. Now next we'll have some more example to do. I have taught you the method, variable separable method. You already have done one example, example number 9. Now I will tell you example number 10. Find the general solution of dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square. So this is a differential equation. We want its solution. So method, you know it. The term of y and term of x are in division. So we will use a variable separable method. So what is the method? So we start solution right from here. It's a dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square. This is my question. I'll transfer now. Look at dy is here. I'll transfer 1 plus y square this side. And I'll transfer dx this side, that side only, and I do integration both sides. Now it's simple looking. 1 upon 1 plus y square have an integration tan inverse y. You must remember it is a simple formula of integration, and 1 upon 1 plus x square integration of tan inverse of x. Now plus I want to write c. So very interesting thing I want to tell you about c. C is a constant, and you can write the constant according to your convenient condition. Like it is tan inverse, it is tan inverse. If you want to write tan inverse c, okay, no matter. If you will write c only, it is again acceptable. You don't worry about this. You don't worry about that, like what you write. So if question is coming in your mind that when and where we have to write like that, so don't let it come in your mind, because you also can write alone c. It is acceptable, but if it is tan inverse, it is tan inverse. If I'm writing, it is not wrong also. So what I do next? I do transfer this. Please try to understand that keep your solution as easy as possible. Like it seems tough. We can make it easy just by solving it. Look at, I tell you the solution. Tan inverse x I transfer. Tan inverse y minus tan inverse x equal to tan inverse of c. Like that. Now use the tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. It is tan inverse of a minus b upon one thing which may be trouble to you here guys. This formula you haven't studied in the inverse trigonometry, because in inverse trigonometry syllabus has been removed. This kind of syllabus has been removed. So if you don't remember the solution, you can drop your answer right here. But if you know the formula, you can use the formula tan inverse of a, tan inverse a minus tan inverse b is tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus ab. I again speak one thing, that this formula is now out of syllabus, because you remember in inverse trigonometry there is only one exercise of it was, I think, principal solution exercise was there, and further all the exercise along with this formula has been eliminated from the new syllabus. So if you don't remember the formula, you can leave your answer right here, and this I am telling you, just if you remember the formula, you can use it. So both tan inverse will cancel to each other or compare to each other. So we are just having the term this, and this is the last answer you can drop. Also you can transfer y 1 plus yx along with c. Otherwise, if you want to drop your answer right here, it is a correct answer. You don't afraid about the situation. This is differential equation dy by dx, and it is without dy by dx along with c, and this is c called the arbitrary constant, and only one constant we will get. Why? Because order is 1. When order is 1, constant is 1. When order is 2, constant is 2. Double constant we get. But this time of double constant and double order differential equation we are not having in the syllabus. We just have to focus on dy by dx term only. We will get a single constant, and along with the constant, whole solution called general solution. General solution. So we have further question where I will tell you particular solution also. So okay, this is my solution of the example 10. So let me wrap this situation, and I am telling you the next one now. Look at example number 11. Find the particular solution dy by dx is equal to minus 4xy square. Very good thing. Find the particular solution where y equal to 1, x equal to 0. So before starting the problem, I would simply tell you, whenever you are told to find the particular solution, this situation will be given. The value of x and value of y will be given. Lastly, you should write understand there, whenever the value of x and value of y will be given. Instead of that situation, you also may have like that. You also may have like that. Keep remember the language, very important language I am telling you. This language may come also instead of this. It also meaning x equal to 0. For x equal to 0, y equal to 1. For x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So these two language, one of the language may come. It was my duty to tell you. You please remember this. Okay, now let me explain something more. So whenever these situations will be given, you would be asked the particular solution. And what is particular solution? I will tell you here. Look at solution. We have a dy by dx is equal to minus 4xy square. You can understand it is the term of x and y in multiplication. When the term of x and y are in multiplication, it means that we can use here, we will use here variable separable method. And that thing is, I will transfer to y square with dy, and remaining is 4x and dx. Definitely I do transfer dx there. About minus 4, you are free to transfer anywhere, but I just want to let it be here. It is simple. And now I do integration both sides. Now what about that? 1 upon y square with respect to y. If you don't remember this, you can transfer y square in the numerator. Y to the power minus 2 it will be. You can do integration. Or second, 1 upon y square have integration minus 1 upon y. Directly I am doing here. And what about that? Minus 4 is a constant value. Integration of x is x square by 2. And write c. Again I speak something, you please solve little bit, where you feel better. It is minus 1 upon y, it is minus 2x square, 2 and 4 cancel, and plus c. This is none else but it is a general solution because it is in form of c. So let me explain something. In particular solution, this c will adopt a particular method, particular value. C will adopt a particular value by putting this situation here. This is none else but it is general solution. And by obtaining the proper value, particular value of C, we will have a particular solution. And from where we can get C? By putting this value. So we will write here, when y equal to 1 and x equal to 0, we have put y is equal to 1, meaning minus 1 upon 1. Minus 2 into 0, meaning 0, and plus c. So what do you think, students? C we got minus 1. This is not answer, but this is the value of c by one particular solution is. Now this time you can get a particular solution from same equation, student, because this time you are having c is equal to minus 1, you write c equal to minus 1 here. And this is answer. You can simply modify by yourself, like what? Like what? You can multiply by minus all the way 1 upon y, 2x square plus 1. This is also, you also can do, you can transfer to y there, 2x square y plus y. You can also write 2x square y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the particular solution because there is no constant here. When we had a constant c, we already had got the value minus 1. After putting c equal to minus 1 in general solution, it will be your particular solution. So I don't think it is enough to explain that what is a particular solution and what is a general solution. So this is the example from my side. So I don't think now it's trouble. It's very easy for one and all to understand it. Now we have a question number 10, we have done it, 11 also. Now 12th one, I'm telling you, example number 12. What it says? Example number 12. Find the equation of curve which passes through the 1 and 1 and whose corresponding differential equation is none else but y equal to it is wrong printed here. it is it should be like dy by dx is equal to 2x square plus 1 upon x. This is the equation. So it's a wrong printed there, misprint. It is a a very heavy misprint there. So no, it is correct answer. Okay, now so I got it wrong. It is correct one. Let me clear the situation. I was looking upside actually, so I got confused. X dy is equal to 2x square plus 1 into dx. Okay. Now x dy is equal to 2x square plus 1 dx. This is the situation now given. Now can you read the question? Very beautiful question this is. Now the word gonna totally change. Find the equation of curve passes from 1 1. Whose differential equation is this one? Meaning this is the curve, and definitely curve have a own equation which passes from 1 1, and the curve has corresponding differential equation is this one, and we want to find its equation. What it means? That it is a differential equation. We will solve this, and whatever the equation we will get, it will be its equation. It is a differential equation of this curve, and we want to find its equation in x and y. So definitely we will solve this. We will get equation that will be the equation of the curve, and this by 1 1 passing. I will tell you just after solving this what is its meaning. We are given the term x dy is equal to 2x square plus 1 into dx. What I will do? Very beautiful thing I am telling you. First of all, student, always make a habit to write like that. Even differential equation was given in a different way, but you only make a habit to write in this way. First of all, you write dy by dx, and second, whatever the rest term, and then decide the method. Definitely, it is whole term of x, no y. It's a very good thing. No y. So, okay, what we will do? We will only transfer dx there with the term x, and don't transfer to x with dy, because it is not the term of y, it is term of x. So let it be with the dx and do the integration like that. Okay. Now let me explain here. Now I do integration. Definitely it is y dy. What about that? We separate it like that. 1 upon x dx. And y is equal to, it is cancelled. After integration of x is x square by 2, and 1 upon x have integration log x, and we will write c. I'll cancel it. Y equal to x square plus log x plus c. This is the equation of curve. But I tell you one thing, that it is c there. It is not the equation, because c is still unknown, and it is general solution. So let me explain that in question it is given that this curve is passing from, and the meaning is that yes, students, let me continue. It is an equation, but it is c is still unknown, and it is given that the equation of curve is passing from 1 1. This is the equation of curve, but c is still unknown. So we will find the value of c, meaning we will find a particular solution. What we will write? This is the equation of curve. Since this curve is passing through the point 1 1. So this point is so that this point will satisfy equation number 1. One should understand, when this is a passing from 1 1, definitely 1 1 will satisfy it. How to satisfy? It is 1. It is 1 square. It is log 1 and plus c. And one can understand that 1 and 1 can cancel. Log 1 is itself 0. Log 1 is 0. So c is equal to 0. We have got a value of c. So we will put C here and we'll write the answer by 1. Equation of curve is equal to y is equal to x square plus log x plus C is 0. So need not write. Whatever the answer will be the equation of the curve what we are told to find out. So easy it is. I don't think it's a trouble, student. You can also do by your own. Same concept, same question in example number 13. So I'm not telling you that. Example 14, I think we should not do this. It's an economics question, so we can drop this. Exercise 9.4 is now on you. Please do this. Please do this. The problem you can find if you not getting properly. Please find the problem. Ask me. I will tell you the solution. Thank you.